Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare related content in this channel, and today I'm going to share my review regarding this new launch over here, which is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream. I have been using this product for quite few days now and I have my thoughts clear about it, so I thought why not share it with you guys, and I will talk more about this product in this video. So if that sounds interesting, please keep on watching guys, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, please go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will really motivate me to make such kind of videos for you guys, and you can just hit on the red subscribe button down below and make that button gray. There will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on it, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I make such kind of videos. And if you have any future video suggestion, you can share those with me, all those in the comment section down below. Also, you can connect with me in my other social media accounts. I'll leave all the links down below. Also, few of my usernames will appear on the screen, so you can head over to Facebook as well as Instagram and follow me over there. I would love to connect with you guys over there as well, because I post fun stuffs over there as well. So that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into the review. So today's video is all about this product over here, which is from L'Oreal Paris. It is the Revitalift Crystal Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream, and the key ingredient in this gel cream is salicylic acid. So first let me talk a little bit about salicylic acid to you guys. So if you're not a skincare enthusiast like myself, maybe you're not aware about salicylic acid, although it is a much raved about salicylic acid in the skincare industry. So what is salicylic acid? It is actually a most common BHA. What is BHA? That is a beta hydroxy acid. What it does is it actually goes into your pores and it unclogs your pores and make sure it fights the acne causing bacteria. Also, it helps to control excess sebum production and oil production in your skin. So salicylic acid is something which will be your best friend if you have from oily to combination skin. Also, if you have a skin which is acne prone, this particular ingredient is a must have for you. Also, if you don't have oily skin and if you have a skin towards normal or dry, you can use salicylic acid, because this is the ingredient which will be suitable for all skin type, but it is more suitable towards the combination to oily skin type. I have combination acne prone skin, so that's why I love to incorporate my salicylic acid into my skincare routine. And what we can see in the market is the most of the salicylic acid which are present are in the serum form. But it's really hard, and not hard, I don't know, because I am someone who is actually looking for a new skincare products, always looking to the market and seeing which new launches are coming and testing them out for you guys, so that I can share my review with you guys. But I haven't found any such cream which is in a gel form and which has salicylic acid as their key ingredient. It is possible, it is there, I am not sure, but I haven't found anything as such before this one. But talking about salicylic acid, it's one of the ingredients which will again help you to combat your acne problems. If you have acne scarring, it will help you with that as well. And if you have blackheads, excessive amount of blackheads, it's again going to take care of that and remove those as well. Obviously, with skincare, you have to be consistent and you have to have patience. Skincare is not magic, so it will take time to show results. I also have acne prone skin, and towards this time of the year when the weather is actually changing, I tend to break out a lot. That's the reason I am glad that I actually grabbed this product, and I know it's going to help me out with my active acne as well as my acne scarrings. So for your better understanding, what I'll do is I'll divide this review into a few parts. I have already talked about the key ingredient. Now I will talk a little bit about what are the things I really like about this gel cream. So first thing I noticed and which actually attracted me towards this gel cream is the consistency. It is such a light gel consistency that it gets absorbed onto the skin so quickly and so easily, and it does not sit on top of your skin with a heavy layer, which I really like, because you all know I have combination skin and my skin is not dry at all. And even in the winter months, I am not someone who would like a heavy moisturizer or anything which will sit just on top of my skin. I need moisturization. I know my skin needs moisturization, but throughout the year I always look for something which the products which are more towards the gel consistency, towards the lighter consistency, which will get absorbed onto my skin and provide me with the required hydration. And this particular gel cream ticks all those boxes, which I really like. I was even more looking forward to this launch because I anyway in general love the L'Oreal Paris Crystal range, because I have been using their Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence for quite a while now. If you have been following my channel and as well as you have been following me on Instagram from last few years now, you are already aware how many times I have showcased those products to you guys, and how many times I have incorporated the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence into my daily skincare routine, and how I have shared my feedback with you guys and how I really love this product. And I have actually, in the beginning I went for the smaller variant, and after using it I saw that my skin took it really nicely, so I have invested to the bigger variant. I am always, but I make sure that I don't run out of it. That's the reason I actually take the travel size variant with me whenever I travel somewhere, and this is the smaller variant which is almost about to get finished. That's the reason I have invested and got the bigger variant for myself, just to make sure I don't miss out on any day from using this. And what I love to do is I love to incorporate these two products together in my skincare routine. In that manner, I strongly believe it works even better. So that's the reason I was really looking forward to this launch, because I knew this range in general I really liked it, so rather loved it. So that's the reason. And this particular product, talking about the gel cream, it's actually dermatologically and clinically tested, and actually it is recommended by Dr. Ophelia, who is a very renowned dermatologist, who actually is very much well aware, and she uses her in-depth knowledge about the most advanced skincare technology to help her patients, and she is the one who recommends this product to all. So which says a lot, guys, because she is an expert, and yes, and she actually recommends this product to all of us. So that's the reason I was really, in my mind I had this thing that I have to go forward and use this product to actually see what the rave is all about. And I was like, I am so glad that I used this. But without talking further and making this video any longer, let's quickly move on and let me show you guys the texture of the product, the close-up shots of the product, as well as the application of the product. In this manner, you will be able to judge the product in a better manner. Let me show you how I use this product on my daily routine. So what I do is, first this is my cleansed face. I have cleansed my face thoroughly. Now on my clean face, what I'm going to do is I apply the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing and Radiance Essence. So I just take few drops of it and I take it on my hand and I apply it in a patting motion on my face, because in this manner we will get the goodness from this essence as well as from the gel cream. And we all know that our skincare actually tends to get absorbed more easily when we applied on a slightly damp skin. So that's what I did. I have applied the micro essence. Now I'll take the gel cream and I'll take a pea size of it on my hand. As you can see, now I'll just apply it by again gentle tapping mode. I love the texture of it and I really love to apply it, and the way it melts into my skin. Oh my god, it's such a nice experience to apply this. I just love it. So you can see how my skin is already looking a lot more radiant than it was looking before. So this product, after using it continuously, I would say that this has actually helped me with dealing with my active acne. I have a lot of less active acne that I used to have before, if I compare it with the previously how my skin was. And yes, it will take some time to take care of the acne scarring, that I know, and I will be consistent with it to see the long-term results as well, because I have seen the short-term results. And if you ask me if I recommend this product to you guys, I definitely will recommend this to you guys, because this I hope you guys have a fair idea now after seeing the whole video and hearing my thoughts out, also seeing the application and the texture and everything about this. See, I really recommend this to all of you guys, and because there are few more things that I have not mentioned, because this product is free of paraben, is free of any synthetic dyes and free of any colorants, so which is a good thing. Also, this product is non-comedogenic, so it's totally safe for your skin. And one more thing, it's totally very practical and very nice that I like about this product is this is available in two options, like two size options. So if you are new, you are a beginner, and if you're not sure if you want to actually invest your money into this product, even after seeing my review and hearing about this product, what you can do is you can go for the smaller variant and try this product out. I know, I am pretty much sure you will love this one, because this actually retails for, this is the bigger variant, which is the 50 ml variant. Yes, and it retails for 699 rupees. Variant, which is a 15 ml variant, which retails for 299 rupees. So under rupees 500, even under rupees 300 actually, you will be able to actually get the smaller variant and test that product out and see if you really like it. Then you can invest on the bigger tub, and I am really sure that you will be going ahead and investing on the. So with that, I'm wrapping this review for today. And if you are wondering where you can get your hands on this particular product, what I'll do is I'll share the places where you can get them online down below in the description bar. So make sure you check that description bar. I'll try to leave some links for you as well, where you can actually go ahead and purchase this for you if you want to try this out. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate it. I really hope this review was helpful to you and it will help you to make your mind, do you really want to go ahead and purchase this product for your skin type or not. If you have any future video suggestions guys, please go ahead and share those with me. You can connect with me in my other social media accounts and share those feedbacks and your request with me over there. Also you can comment down below and let me know on if you have any suggestion that you want to share, or if you have feedback regarding my channel or about this particular video, I would love to hear it from you. And yes, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did enjoy and if you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel guys. All you have to do is click on the red subscribe button down below, make that button grey by hitting on that button, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And I'll see you next Sunday. Till then, you all stay safe, take care, and bye bye. Mwah.